Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back with my classic horizontal that I use as a journal. And this week I will be decorating with Girl with Goals and whatever is left over of those florals from the Pressed Florals Be Happy box. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I have a few sheets of these really big florals, and I think the first thing I'm gonna do is place one big floral right here, and I don't mind that it overlaps into Sunday. Oops. And then immediately I'm going to find, oh, here comes Lucy. Hold on. Okay, so now let's find a quote to go in this area. I don't really want the ones with foil, so let's do this one. Today is a great day to start, although it doesn't even feel big enough to go there, right? The most important project you'll work on is you. Too big. Although I feel like I could just, because I feel like the words are spaced too far apart. So let me put this one back. And I'm going to do some sticker surgery with this, because honestly I feel like the words are too spaced out. So I'm going to cut. And the thing is, I don't know if you guys have seen me do this before, but it's just a sticker, so you can certainly cut it to whatever you'd like it to be. Put that on this side. The most important, because with the translucent stickers you can put it down, and the great thing is you really won't see the outline of the sticker too much. So just cutting around. The most important project, I'm going to put that closer to there. Oh, well, I got something underneath it. Oh well. And then now I can line that up so that it totally fits in that space. All right, so now, where's Lucy going? Going in the corner? So I'm now going to decorate with the florals. What I think I'm going to do, because I mean it's very similar to what I did last week. Oh, she's playing with her stuffy. I'm going to just take one. Whoops. Okay. Just realizing where I want these to go. So there, 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 there. Okay. And actually, I don't have to have them mirror image of each other. I could just do whatever I feel like, but okay. Then another one. And I'm actually not going to cut them all right down the center. I think having a little bit of a different angle is also good. So I mean, for this one I could do one and then one of the smaller ones. Ah, see. Then Wednesday. I'm trying to be random with how I cut them so that they don't all look symmetrical, especially with flowers. I don't really necessarily want them to all look super symmetrical. There's something fun about how whimsical they are. And then maybe down here I will just do this. And with a couple of these. Actually, I'm going to save that for other little ones around. Lucy's just playing with George Pig. Okay. Right there. Okay, so, oh, there's one sticker left in there. It's going to drive me crazy until I can use it. But I already had an idea as to what I'm using from this sticker book. I really like the purple swooshes. And they're not just transparent, they come in these, which is perfect because I can write on these. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Do this one. And I can use them as my 1 word a day. Oh gosh, she's like having a ball here. Oops. So, and the thing with these boxes as well is that they do add a little bit of color to the spread, because otherwise it's just monochrome with the flowers, but these paint swooshes add that color, which I really like. And I'm going to keep this fairly simple. Oh, I really like it. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, I say fairly simple, but I feel like, what if I added, now, if I do add washi, I feel like I need to add my go-to, which is this, because I feel like it needs another neutral in there. Yes. This washi is just, there's something about it. Okay, so I'm going to tear off a little piece of washi for every combination, and it may not be completely straight, but, and I know that generally each of these combinations or clusters are all have the same components. They have the florals, they have the paint swooshy thingy, and then they've got the washi. I think that's what's going to bring this all together. Are you going to eat the blanket, Lucy? Okay. And one more here, and then one more on Sunday. Hold on, I think Lucy wants to come up here. Oh, no, she's on her chair in my office. That, I think, made a huge difference. Just adding that little bit of washi, I think, definitely changed the overall look of the spread. And I want to add maybe one more. No, I don't. I think I'm done. All right. Oh, I love it. I do love it. All right. But that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. So this is a really great and easy way to create a journaling spread. For me, journaling spreads are really about the clusters and the simplicity and having as much room to write in here as possible. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Thank you.